Why do you guys want you? I guess that Zalis is the only one not here right now. Zed was the one that we talked to. Oh my, there's a lot of signs.
Important signs ahead. Okay. Welcome to the lounge. Here you will gather statements and accuse a guest of being a killer. In order to accuse someone, you must have 2 correct pieces of evidence to prove it. If you are wrong, you will get one more chance to accuse again. You can use the ask option to gather more evidence. This option allows you to question a guest about an item or clue you have found. They will give you the item back afterward. Doing this could provide you with their statement about it, which could be a piece of evidence used to accuse the killer. You need motive and a proof item in order to properly accuse someone. You can ask as many items as you can ask about as many items as you wish. To accuse and ask, drop items in the hoppers. By the way, they may fumble around with the object for a few seconds. They're all just a bit clumsy, so be patient. Good luck! Warning. Once you have asked an NPC about a clue, do not ask them about it again. You may lose the clue. Note, if this area is laggy, try turning off smooth lighting. Okay. Well.
Interesting.
I guess we got a question.
Oops. We can probably ask him about his cash.
Mm-hmm.
What you're talking about. I ain't never seen that money before in my life. Interesting. Let's go ahead and ask, because we got Richie Rich's bottle of poison, too.
Mm-hmm. Did you get the item back? No?
No, it did not. It takes it.
I thought it was said it would give it back.
Yep.
That's weird. Maybe it's just laggy.
Oh, I don't have anything to say about that. I'm an idiot. Simon. Okay, there he did. So he gave it back right there.
The other guy didn't give cash back.
He didn't?
So I hope we didn't need that. Hope it wasn't him, because we don't have it anymore. Unless... Nope.
There's Richie Rich. Ask him about your poison. Oh, that's for rats. I heard there are rats around here. And, hey, you stole that. Give it back to me. Takes the poison. Interesting.
Okay.
What could it be? Water.
I'm not sure. Oh, there's like rooms. Oh, there's more people over here. LABventures. Do we have anything from him?
Just bothering me such nonsense. That's off. Probably do about the clue of Vincent's diary. Nope.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
How about the actual diary? Nope.
Okay.
Alright, so I don't have anything on him.
Yeah, we don't really have anything on...
Anything on Colvinier.
So...
Is there another room somewhere?
I don't know. Because we need 2 correct pieces of evidence. A motive and... what was it? Proof. I have no idea. Who could it be? This guy he's an old mean guy. He probably wouldn't have been able to decapitate somebody, right? Although he has money, maybe he got paid off.
Oh, there's the other room.
Oh, there it is.
Hint inside.
Oh,
Nice.
okay.
Okay, use only unless you've lost a clue. Okay.
Well, we
did
lost
lose
the money,
Yeah.
but
All right.
I guess it doesn't.
You need to ask 2 people about clue Vincent's diary.
Mm-hmm.
Don't accuse anyone until you have an item specifically called proof and item called motive for a specific NPC. You only need to ask about your clues.
Okay.
Oh, let her remove that clue from us. Oh, the brown hair clue. We must have not gotten all the clues then.
I guess not. I guess we're not as good at this as we
do
thought.
need to ask people about the Vincent's diary, the clue Vincent's
Yeah.
diary, so we can ask about that one.
Yeah, we'll ask everybody.
So I'll ask him about, I'll ask Golden Ear about Vincent's diary. Interesting. You know what I think, guys? Gov, I guess it is Gov. I think that Riley fella killed Vincent over this will business. So
Vincent mentioned to me just yesterday that he thought Riley was looking at him funny.
You see motive.
Okay.
So we have a motive now.
For Riley.
But we don't have proof because Scott about it. What does Scott have to say for himself? I don't have anything to say about that.
Okay.
There we go. Got it. Oh wait, that's the I gave him the motive. Oops.
Oh.
Don't have anything to say about that either.
Okay.
Alright.
He just doesn't have very much to say.
No.
Riley.
I was probably like such nonsense. Kind of want to say it was him.
Yeah, it's looking like it was an internal family matter.
Yeah, because I think we asked everyone. So.
I think so. Oh wait, did we go in the other room? Wait, we did on both sides. Yeah. Okay. Or no, we didn't. We didn't go in here, did we? And ask them about the stuff.
Yeah, we did.
Oh yeah,
I
we
just
did.
that.
Just kidding.
What was the hint that you had? The piece of paper that you had?
It was just a note
Oh, okay.
to self by Buck the Cook, how to make potions.
Oh, yes.
So I guess we need clues.
Let's go here.
I don't know. How many actual clues did we find? We only found like one.
We had one. We don't want to take away from us.
Yeah, and there was 4 separate clues in that backup chest. So I guess we need 3 more.